Hey guys, here's a tablet mount I made for a Polaris Rzr. This would work on any Polaris model that has the same steering column. I made this plate out of carbon fiber material. You can use any material. The bottom part of the plate has to extend onto the flat part of the steering column. Then there's a U-bolt that goes around the steering column. The tablet is held on with heavy-duty Velcro to the plate. You can remove it, put it right back. This tilts with the steering wheel. You have easy access to your tablet. This is a do-it-yourself tablet mount.